I got my hands on some Aqua Coat. It's a different type of wood grain filler. You're able to mix in different tints into it. I applied it on this guitar body and it was really cool. It was a nice gel, has some really nice consistency. And I applied it on this Corinna quilted maple guitar I was working on. And the application of this was really nice. It went on really smooth. And I love the consistency of the gel. I've used Wonderfill. This is like a spackle to use in your house. Very chalky. Didn't really like using it too much. I don't really use a lot of grain filler. But this Aqua Coat went on really nicely. I love the consistency in the video here as I was applying this. Felt really clean. Sands off really nicely. Nice consistent formula. Was really happy with the way this looks. Doesn't require a whole ton of work. I love that this stuff isn't as toxic or as chalky or much of a mess as some other fill products I've used. So I've got a couple guitars that need some filler. I wanted to use this and fill this and actually paint this black or blue depending on how I figure out how to finish this top. The way this product applies and goes in the grain was really consistent, and I loved the texture of it going in. I can actually feel it more so than some of this stuff when it's watered down. It dries in about 30 to 40 minutes, goes on nice, sands easily, and it'll take any type of finish. What it was saying is you should stain first and then apply this, and since it's clear, it'll go on. I love that it's water soluble. The other stuff is too, but this is just a nice product, a different alternative to filling grain to get that smooth glass finish than some of the other really chalky products that I've used in the past. So thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next vid.